people rent skis. So first thing to know is that you want to plan more time than you expect to go through rentals. Just saying.
It just takes a while to get the equipment.
It does. It takes a while. Everyone has to try them on. You might have to try more than one thing on. There might be a line, those types of things. If you're going during a holiday week or weekend or a busier time, a school break, you definitely want to reserve them ahead of time because sometimes they do kind of run out or get over. And because there's only so many sizes. They rarely totally run out, but you definitely want to get it ahead of time so you can get the right sizes. So you're gonna get your ski boots. Ski boots are not comfortable. They're not horrible, but it keeps your foot in really firm. And so it takes a while to get used to. When you're skiing, you actually lean forward. And so your shins are gonna touch the front. People at rental will help you do that, but that's how they should fit. And so leaning forward with your shin against the front is that's how you should be able to tell where your toes are when you're in that position. Your kids will complain, not for long, they will get used to it. But they will help you fit. The rental people are really great. So you're gonna get your boots.
What do I have to tell them to get the right size boots and get my skis?
So what you're going to do is when you reserve it, you have to put for each family member, you're gonna put your height, your weight, and your skiing ability. You want to be honest about all of those things because there are different, as you can see even from ours, this is my family of 5 and our different skis. So variety of sizes. My oldest son is actually past me. These are mine, the pink ones, and his are longer than mine even, and these are our 8-year-old. Usually more aggressive skiers can handle longer skis, and beginner skis, they'll do a little bit shorter, but the rental place will help you, but those are the information they'll ask for. Height, weight, and type of skier. So beginner, intermediate, aggressive.
Okay, so don't fudge your weight on there.
No, because it all does make a difference. And then you having the right length of skis will make a big difference. Also, if you skied a long time ago and haven't skied in a long time, skis have come a long way. They're shaped now and they're so much easier to ski in than the long skinny ones. Just as a side note, in case people skied a long time ago and are trying again, it's much easier to ski nowadays. So that's what you're gonna do, is you're gonna do your ski boot. You might have to try a couple variations. When you're trying on your ski boot, you want the socks that you're gonna ski in on because it makes a difference. And then they will help you with all of that stuff. Your kids will learn how to kind of put your skis together. So these are Jacob's. So they kind of slide together to make them easier to carry. So that's the other thing. When you're just beginning and your kids are beginning, you will get used to carrying your stuff and their stuff. Eventually, you make them carry their own stuff.
Okay.
So this is what it is. Remember, poles are only needed for adults or older kids. So you'll be good. You'll be good.
And then the boots clip into the skis, and for you, this is probably second nature, but I'm just wondering, when do you clip your boot into the ski? How does that work? Does a teacher teach you that?
Yes, they will teach you all that. Well, you will do it a little bit at rental because they will want to make sure. So they will teach you this, but we might as well show you. So it's toe in first. That's what we always tell Jacob. Toe in, and then you push it down. So what happens is that's a quick release. So see how these are up? This boot is in the ski.
Yeah.
And then these are down. If you were to fall, your skis should come unclipped, which is a good thing because you want the ski to fall off if you fall so that it doesn't twist your leg or whatever it might be. So so it's toe in first. So honestly, I still do this today. When Jacob can get in his skis, so I usually kind of kneel next to him and he leans on me and he knows toe first, heel down. So when he wants to get out of them, he just puts his palm, or if you're an adult and you have a pole, you can kind of stick the tip of your pole right there. That goes down and it releases your foot. So that's how it works. Don't let that intimidate you. My kids could do it when they were 4. So that's all it is. So toe in, and if your toe isn't right and you do that, it won't clip down. So it'll tell you if you're doing it wrong because it won't, like I've just done now, it won't clip. So when it clips down, so see the difference? This is flat, but the little side things are down. and then
Okay, and then they come up once it's clipped.
right. So then you literally just with your palm, or if you have a pole, you would put your pole there, you lean down, and it comes out, and then you just walk out.
All right, simple enough, but if you didn't know,
Right.
you could get hung up on it.
It's super, super simple.
Thanks, Steph.
Mm-hmm.